Hi friends, this is Monish back with a brand new unboxing video of OnePlus Bullets Z3. These are launched on 19th of June and the first sale was on 24th June 12 noon. So I ordered it on the first day and received the product now. So let us see the unboxing and the packaging of it, and let us see its special features and compare it with the previous version of this, which is OnePlus Bullets Z2. So yes, here comes our brand new OnePlus Bullets Z3. Here comes the OnePlus branding. Then here we have the price of 1,999, but in the sale price we will be getting it for 16,999. So let us open this packaging. We have nothing written on the box, so let us open the package. So here comes our neckband with dazzling red color. So the color is Samba sunset. So the color of this thread is Samba sunset color. So let us take this out of the box. And you can see these are magnetically attachable. The magnet quality is good. And here we have the volume control buttons, volume up, volume down, and middle button for answering calls or play pause. Then we have this notification LED and the Type-C charger. And here comes the name of the buds. Let's keep these earphones aside and let us see what are all the box contents. If we open this, so here we have the extra tips. I guess generally we do have this medium attached to this, and we have small and large extra tips. Then here comes this OnePlus Bullets Z3 manual. So I guess that's it in this packaging. We did not have the cable as well. Slowly they are removing the cable from earbuds too. Now let us connect this with our mobile. So that's how these earbuds look and work. And so if we are playing a song, it will be automatically getting connected if we detach these buds, and once if we attach them again, then it will be turned off automatically. For example, when I open this, here we can see earbuds get connected, and we can see that the video audio is still playing, and once if we attach these ear tips, the audio goes into pause. You can see it has been paused automatically. So that's how these earbuds work. So this is how the bands look like, and let us wear this and see how it looks. So this is how it looks when we wear them. And the build quality is really good and it fits in the ear properly. You can see there is no falling of the earbuds, and we can also download the app for customization of the bass and all through this app called Hey Melody. You can download this from Play Store as well as App Store, and once if we download them, we can connect the Bullet Z3 here. You can see the Bullet Z3 is connected and it shows the battery percentage. And here we have special feature called OnePlus 3D audio, 3D spatial audio. You can turn this on or turn this off through this application. If you are using a OnePlus mobile, then it is easier for you to navigate through settings and directly change it in that settings. Then here we have Sound Master EQ. In the Sound Master EQ, you have different modes: balanced, serrate, bass, bold, and here you have this volume slider, and through this slider you can increase the bass wave. Then here we have the firmware update and it is up to date. And here you can, if you want to know the corrections of this and know the functionality of the buttons, here you have touch bar controls. Bottom you can see touch controls, and if you press on these touch controls, it shows you all the touch controls and how to access them. These functionalities here are fixed and we don't have any rights to change these. So these are fixed, and just for a guide, these are given in this app. And coming to the specs of these and comparison of OnePlus Bullet Z2, its previous predecessor, then both have 220 mAh battery, but the playback time of Bullet Z2 are 30 hours, whereas Bullet Z3 comes with 36 hours of battery backup. And Bullet Z2 have 12.4mm drivers, and Bullet Z3 comes also with the same 12.4mm drivers. But now we have the specialty of 3D spatial audio, which is only available in Bullet Z3. And the Bullet Z2 comes with Bluetooth 5.0 version, and Bullet Z3 comes with Bluetooth 5.4 version. In 10 minutes, Bullet Z2 charges to a playback of 20 hours, whereas Bullet Z3 can 10 minutes charge can make it up to use for 27 hours. And Bullet Z2 and Z3 both comes with water resistant IP55, and you can use this for your gym and running purposes as well. Bullet Z2 weighs 26.5 grams, whereas Bullet Z3 weighs only 26 grams, and this feels lightweight. Both Z2 and Z3 both are lightweight, and this is 0.5 grams lesser weight than compared to Bullet Z2. The Bullet Buds Z3 comes with dual pairing supportivity, whereas Bullet Buds Z2 does not have any dual pairing option. And the color availability of Bullet Z3 is Samba Sunset, which is this red color, and we also have another color which is black, Mambo Black. Whereas in Bullet Z2, the color options available are black, green and red. And right now, at a budget of 1500 to 2000, this Bullet Z3 will be best choice, because this comes with 36 hours of battery backup, which in most use case it will be running for a week. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and like, share, subscribe my channel for more unboxing videos and technology related videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.